Hey folks, welcome to the Landscape YouTube channel. We got a fun thing here today. We are doing an unboxing video of some really cool stuff here. Check this out, this is gonna be fun. All right, boys, do it. All right, what do we have? And what's the first thing we have here? We have, whoa!
Oh, that's a tree! Oh wait, no, that was probably one of those like big trees.
Okay, so first thing we got, I'm really excited to see how this works, is the MX fuel system, and it's the cutoff saw. All right, and we've got one for the Hardscape Academy, so thanks to Milwaukee for supporting Hardscape Academy, training of folks in the trades. It's super cool. This will be a great tool and asset for the Hardscape Academy for hardscape work, so we're really excited about that.
Help me! What?
Here, let me. Okay.
Oh! Come on, Dad.
Here we go. Okay, so they're gonna start pulling it apart. Put all the trash over. Hey, beach in.
This is mine. Where's my saw blade?
Okay, and then when you pull it out, take it and show it to the camera. So set this off to the side, see?
So, oh,
There you
gosh.
I'll be right back. Keep unboxing it. Put the trash, guys, start throwing all the trash over here, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get it.
We got it. Whatever. Is that it in there? Zeke, can you help? No. I haven't told you this. Oh, this thing's kind of heavy. This thing's kind of heavy. I put all of it over here. Okay.
We've been using battery equipment a lot for blowers, for even string trimmers and quick cutoff saws, stuff like that. So I'm really excited to see just how functional and how this is, I think, redesigned from some of the last ones I've seen. It's a lot smaller looking, a little more compact. Still has a water, the dustless cutting option, which is super important. And that's really cool. This thing is way more compact than the other ones I've seen, so this is looking good, looking a lot better. So cool, great job Milwaukee on so far how that looks.
So we have a case, a PC/P. Oh, a PC, yay! PC.
Yeah, nice. So Milwaukee is making their own socket sets and tools. That is pretty sweet. So also already ready for the Packout system there. How beautiful is that? That is an absolute thing of beauty. This is going in Dad's personal stock here. Well, I say personal, but here to Dad's setup here. No, this isn't going out with the crew, so I can tell you that right now.
Dad, this one says fragile.
Huh?
This says fragile. Chainsaw. Wait. So this is a grease gun. That gives you grease for your excavator.
Yeah, that's right, Levi. Okay, cool.
Oh, Levi, you want to unbox this one? No! Okay, cut it. No. Lift it up! What? Now you lift it. Why? You lift it.
All right, and
It's
that,
stuck in our block.
cool. This is a
It's stuck in our block.
cordless.
Oh yeah, guys, look. It's for sucking up.
I'm gonna scoot it over here, guys.
Oh, okay.
This is a cordless demolition hammer.
Okay. It's for whatever that is.
Yeah, this is very handy. This is awesome. A cordless demolition hammer. We have another one of these by a different brand. So I'm super excited to try out the Milwaukee one as it matches the rest of the platform that we have. in Milwaukee, so that is super cool. Bluetooth, the one key system, all of that, super cool. And we'll create and we'll do videos and reviews on all this other stuff independently.
What is it? Battery case. This is heavy. Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, let's do that same trick. Oh, nice. Ooh. Mine. No, mine. No, mine. Like, you show off.
Hey.
You show off the batteries. No, that's
So a battery-powered grease gun. This sounds silly, maybe. Once you get one of these, you will not go back to a hand pump or a lever pump. These are phenomenal. I love these. We're going to be outfitting. Oh, there he goes, Zeke. Yeah, we're going to be outfitting the whole fleet with these things, and man, that's going to be nice. Holy smoke!
Oh no.
So, who wouldn't just be thrilled to get a care package from Milwaukee, right? It's like a dude's dream come true. So, some of the stuff is for the Hardscape.
Fine, you can do it. So this is it. I'm just putting it over with a whole face. Oh! Hey, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. My Levi. What? It's a leaf blower. We already have it. It's a battery powered Milwaukee leaf mine. Here. Let me put this on there. Just hold it still. Hold it still. This is the thing. This is the thing. Now that's what it is. I did it. No, don't hit that. Oh! This one. No. You get that.
This is a, so I get this right, the green laser kit, and from what I understand, it's indoor, outdoor, but it's to give you 90-degree angles and flat planes for, especially like I see this getting used for us on coping, installations and things like that. So visible green lasers, that's going to be super cool. Looking forward to getting that enjoyed. Yeah. Okay, careful with that. I think that's the same thing. I know exactly need to open right now. I'm gonna put that one along the track. Again, and this is, so each of these are getting different reviews, right? So one is be dedicated to the Hardscape Academy. So for training there, we have a training this weekend. Hardscapeacademy.com, we do in-person hardscape training. So, but this will be used in that one, and the other one is going to the field to be in the field with the guys for review.
And this is a toolbox, and you put drills in it, and it blows. Okay, we're gonna empty this one. No! Ooh, these things like this. It's like a spaceship. Zeke, I found a spaceship.
I think what we'll do.
And
So we have a lot of these already in the company, and so a couple of these are going to Hardscape Academy. Again, in Hardscape Academy, in-person training, we talk about building out a toolkit that's ideal for how to mobilize on site very quickly and effectively and efficiently. So we put a lot of our Milwaukee angle grinders, impact drivers, all that kind of stuff. And then in this setup here, we're going to put things like screws and drill bits and just all that kind of stuff here, saw blades, all those kind of things on a mobile kit. So that's super handy here. Absolutely love it. Absolutely absolutely love the Packout system. Here, BB, we'll take it. Another chest of drawers. So again, one set of these is going to Hardscape Academy, and the other one is going to into the field with Almond. But yeah, absolutely awesome systems here. I love this concept. Locks things in place. Got all this drawer dividers. Yeah, Milwaukee. How can you go wrong?
What is that?
Fine. No.
Oh, my favorite chainsaw. My favorite out of all chainsaw.
Yeah.
70cc gas power. Open it. And it's actually battery power. I always do that.
Back.
Yeah, it cuts a tree. I can see that. Okay, so here's how. Oh,
Yeah, so battery powered chainsaw. I've got one of these already, and it's crazy handy. Really excited that it's now within our battery platform we already have, which is super cool. But just a super handy device. I love the battery powered stuff.
Get in the bottom.
Hey, boys, you're out of the camera shot, I think.
Okay.
Nope, you're in the shot. It's fine. Keep it up.
Stop doing that. Go on. Okay, here. Try to get it. Okay, just hold it. Okay, fine. How about you do it? I might lose it. Stop, Manzo. Just gotta shake it. It tells you little. It's like little pipe saw. Seems like. So you stick this thing in pipes. I think. No. What is it?
Yeah, that is a. You're right, Levi. That is a locating device. Good job.
You stick it in pipes. Then it would like take a video of it.
Yeah, this is something I'm really excited about as well. Tracer wire for locating, private lines and things like that. These are crazy handy. Super excited for
See,
this.
this is like become true, Zeke. Look what I have now. Zeke. Zeke, look. I knew it would be one of those. Dad, can I have one?
No, you don't need a pole saw. Again, just the battery stuff. You don't have an idling machine all the time, and these batteries hold up really well. And when it's just on demand like that, the batteries hold up really well. So, if you're just hogging all day, you're gonna need to swap out a bunch of batteries. But for quick stuff like I plan on doing, this thing is gonna be awesome. And even just quick trim ups on little landscape remodel jobs, stuff like that. This is gonna be killer. So absolutely pumped for this thing. So really cool. Oh, yep. Okay, yep, hold on, because I got stuff in it. Yeah, this is a wheel kit for a compactor, which we're gonna do a lot of review videos on. These are wheel kits for compactors, and that's the next thing. I need the instructions. Yep, and then there we go.
Piece of stuff in the wheel.
Yep, that's the install kit. So, yeah, we'll want to make sure we get this. The rest of that stuff's coming later in the week, so far as I understand. But this is a 200-foot stick modular pipeline inspection system, so we can run a camera down there and a locator with it and find where the pipe is and also see what is going on. So this is going to be great for drainage repair jobs. And yeah, we're not going to open this up right now, but we'll do a whole separate video on this thing. But yeah, this is going to be, again, for when you, and again, this is stuff we've been buying for years, and we have other versions of it and all that in the company. But the more stuff like this you add to the company, that you price into your work, and you use something like Element to budget for that, that's where it becomes, you become a more comprehensive and capable company, and your pricing can reflect that. And when you get to where you can utilize all these things, you become more valuable in the marketplace. So just keep grinding and learning and adding as much value to your clients as you possibly can to become an elite contractor. All right, guys. Okay, so these wheel kits for compactors are really nice for getting things around site, and for no more than the cost and how much efficiency it adds to effectively moving a compactor around a job site, it's a no-brainer to do. Get a wheel kit on every compactor you ever get. Must have, must have. So, with that being said, that is phase one of an unboxing. We're gonna do videos and separate content on all this, and we're having a disagreement off camera with the boys there, but that happens. But we're gonna have separate content on all this stuff here, on every aspect of this stuff, and showing how it works, and on Instagram and all that. Come check us out at hardscapeacademy.com. And we'll show you how we use a lot of this stuff, pipeline locators, and all that to make you a comprehensive company that's capable of serving your clients in the highest capacity. So thanks for checking it out. We'll do another video of this stuff. I don't know what the height or hype is around unboxing videos. People love it, but that's it. So thank you, Milwaukee. Thank you for supporting the Hardscape Academy and Almond Landscape, and we're looking forward to putting this stuff to work. A lot of awesome stuff here. Big thanks to Milwaukee. Again, thank you for supporting Hardscape Academy. Then, when it comes to that, and obviously, use a lot of Milwaukee stuff there. But Hardscape Academy is, we teach and train compaction, efficient equipment, and mobilization and moving of materials. We build retaining walls through the winter. Talk pavers, everything's really dirty, got to finish setting up, but we'll build a paver pad in here. We're going to do a lot more stuff, talk about convenient and effective tool movement. Again, getting stuff around site the most effective way possible. So it's kind of like those Russian dolls that like collapse on each other. So like this comes off the truck, and then each tool comes off individually, or even micro tool sets come off and go farther than that. So really is an awesome time here. And big thanks to sponsors of that, Site One, County Materials, we got Will Company Cam, obviously. Together in Trades, Hardscape Academy, come check it out. And we're gonna try to bring value. There we go. I hope you enjoyed our fun video here.